Josh, let's go to a nightclub, shall we? 你去吧，我看奥运会呢。Sorry, I'm watching the Olympics. 你在听什么 ？What are you listening to? 我听京剧呢。I'm listening to Beijing Opera. Come on in, come on in. 你们在做什么 ？What are you guys doing? 我们看足球呢。We're watching a soccer game. 你在做什么 ？What are you doing? 我练肌肉呢。I'm building my muscles. Bill, 你在做什么 ？Bill, what are you doing? 看黑衣人3呢。Will Smith 真酷。I'm watching Man in Black 3. Will Smith is so cool. Today we learned that the structure somebody plus do something plus ne translates as someone is doing something now. Got it? That's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me what you are doing at the moment now using what we learned in this lesson. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。